Hi everyone! Do you want to share your experience with a product? Let's see how easy it is to give a review on the Multivendor marketplace. Log in to your customer account. Go to the search bar and find the product you want to review. Once you find it, click on the product. Scroll down, you'll find the Review tab. Click on it. Here, you'll see the Write a Review button. Click on it. Give a star rating and share your experience. Write your comment and hit the Submit Review button. Initially, the review will not appear. Once the seller approves it, the review will be visible on the store's front end. For approving product reviews, log in to your seller account. Go to Product Reviews, check the review, then click on Action, Update Status, Approved. Confirm by clicking Agree. Once the product review is approved by the seller, it will be displayed on the storefront. Search for the product again, and in the Review tab, you'll see your approved review. Your feedback is important and helps other buyers make smarter choices. Thank you.